lovelies, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And in today's video I am going to be doing a swatching and a press on set, so stay tuned for that. I will put a timestamp if I can remember. So I am using the Beetles Mermaid collection. It finally came in the mail today and I was so happy. So this set is a little different to their other collections because you actually get glitters, brushes, along with the frequently asked questions and guidelines and instructions, and you also get some stickers. So I thought that was amazing because you get like these little I think these tiny little things really do make a big difference in my opinion. So anyway, you get a matte base and top coat with this, and you get all these absolutely lush and stunning colours. I'm sorry if you can hear screaming in the background, by the way. That is my children playing outside in their tent. Yeah. So anyway, there is 20 different colours. You get a lovely range of some greens, teals, aquas and blues. And the glitters in this set are absolutely stunning. The colours are stunning, but those glitters, you got some like shimmers, some chunky sort of glitters. You get some like pearlescent sort of shimmered glitters as well. I'm in love with this set and I can't wait to use it again. But I'm gonna let you guys watch the swatching. I will put a timestamp if I remember to on when we are starting on the actual design. But these gels are stunning and they are really nice to work with. They're not thick, they're not thin, they're creamy. I would highly recommend Beetles, guys. I absolutely love Beetles and I'm so happy that this finally come in the mail because I finally got to play with it and I can't wait to see how many more designs I do come up with this set. So anyway, I'm going to let you watch the application, not the application, the swatching. The brain fried Monday morning. I'm going to let you watch this, guys, and I'll be back in a bit. Enjoy! I'm back, guys. Hello. So, we're just going through all the brushes now and the glitters. So they come with 3 brushes. And with the brushes you get a gel brush, a small little mini fan brush, and a small little striping brush. You also get 6 different glitters. 2 are chunky and 4 are fine, and they all come in different colours. And then you get some really lush different stickers to go on the nail. You've got some scales, some hearts, some mermaid tails, some flowers. Those are really nice touch and detail. So these are the colours that we will be using today to do the set. Going in with that base gel, I apply a thin, even layer to all of the nails, and then I cure for a full 60 seconds. I only show you doing one because I didn't think you'd need to see me doing all 5, but I would suggest if you want these to last a little bit longer, I only done these for the video, I would file the shine away from the nails just so that the product adheres better. And whilst that's in the lamp, I'm going to take all 4 of those colours and just plop a little bit of each onto my resin palette here, ready to do a marble nail on the middle finger. I try to use as much as I can in this kit. Obviously I can't use every colour because I don't have 20 fingers. But I try to use some of the glitters and the brushes and the glitter and the stickers. I tried to do as much as I could, and this set I would highly recommend, guys. It is really, really nice to work with. So I am going in on my thumb with that beautiful, I absolutely am in love with this colour. It's like a blue jelly with holographic glitters in. Oh, it's so stunning. So I do 2 nails of this because it's so pretty. I only done 1 coat, but you can by all means do 2 coat, but the 1 coat was plenty for me. I don't mind a little bit of transparency, even though it wasn't that transparent, if that makes sense. So then on the middle finger, I do go in with that striping brush and I create a marble nail. I just draw squiggly, they look like tadpoles, squiggly tadpole lines across the nail. This does not have to be perfect, and just sort of cover it with all the colours. Really easy to do and really simple. I done all 4 colours, and then what I done is I took my gel brush and I sort of like patted it and just pulled it slightly, not too much pressure, just to make sure that all the clearness in the nail was covered. And this nail actually turned out to be my fave. I was like, okay, I've done really good on this one. It actually looks like deep sea and waves, in my opinion. It's got a little glisten, different colours. I think I've done really well on this nail, and it turned out absolutely lush. And then on the last 2 nails, I do a solid colour of one and a solid colour of the other. I do show it in the video, but I can't remember what numbers they are right now. And then I add a mermaid tail sticker to one of the nails and some of those hexagon sort of iridescent glitters to the one that we are doing now. And then I just floated some top coat over the top and then tidied up the sides with a lint-free pad. Never use your actual fingers to do this. Always use like gloves or something, because you don't want this to go on your skin. Even though it says no harm to skin, you can still get allergies. But yeah, once I'd done that, then I top coated for a full 60 seconds and then I just popped them on, and it was really simple to do, guys. I really enjoyed doing the set. I love mermaids and ocean and blue, so this set was really like calling to me. But I'm going to leave it here and let you guys just watch the rest of the application. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It really helps me out. You do not have to, but I'd really appreciate it if you did. Thank you so much for all the support you guys have been giving me. You guys have been absolutely amazing. And to all the newcomers, hi, welcome. My name is Abby. I should have said that at the beginning of the video, but hey ho, let's do it backwards. Thank you so much for subscribing, and hey, if you haven't, sorry about hearing the doorbell then, that was my children. But as I was saying, if you haven't subscribed, do consider doing so. We post up to 4 times a week. I love doing nails and I love sharing them with you and with all you guys, and you guys are absolutely amazing. I think I've already said that. You're probably getting sick of me hearing it, but I really, really do appreciate you guys. You are just fab. I couldn't ask for better subscribers. Do you know what I mean? You guys are so great and I really do appreciate it. But anyway, I've talked enough. I'm going to leave it here. I hope everyone is staying safe. I hope everyone keeps on smiling. Have a wonderful week, guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.